this video, we are going to complete assignment 7.5 from the 7th chapter, that is fractions. But before watching this video, you have to watch the previous video, in which video I have already discussed about how can you compare the like fractions and unlike fractions in details. You have to watch the video, then try to understand, and then you will complete this assignment. Okay. Question number 1. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? Which of the following fractions is the smallest? So in the options, you can see that all of the denominator of the fractions are same. That means these are the like fractions. And how can you compare the like fractions? Which you have to, for comparing the like fraction, you have to compare the numerator. Which numerator is the smallest? That will be the smallest. So from the numerator, which is the smallest? 21, 13, 17, 19. 13 is the smallest. That means this fraction will be the smallest. Next, which of the following statement is correct? 3 upon 4 is less than 3 upon 5. So denominators are different. That means these are the unlike fractions, but numerator are same. So when numerators are same in unlike fraction, then which denominator is greater? That will be the smaller value. তাহলে এখানে দুটো ফ্র্যাকশনের মধ্যে ডিনোমিনেটর আছে 4 and 5. Since 4 is less than 5, 4 যেহেতু 5 এর থেকে ছোট, that means which denominator is smallest? That will be greater. So this will be greater. So this is not the correct option. This will be the correct option. Since 4 is less than 5, so 3 upon 4 is greater than 3 upon 5. যখন unlike fraction এর numerator গুলো সেম হবে, তখন যার denominator ছোট, সেই ফ্র্যাকশনটা বড় হবে, ফ্র্যাকশনাল ভ্যালুটা বড় হয়ে যাবে। ওকে। Next, question number 2. Comparing the fractions by using greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to. First one, 10 upon 11, 11 upon 19. These are the unlike fractions having denominator and numerator different. Having different denominator and numerator. How can you compare this? 10 upon 11 and 11 upon 19. 11 upon 19. You have to do the cross multiplication. 10 into 19 equal to 190. 11 into 11 equal to 121. Since 190 is greater than 121, AD is greater than BC. So this fraction is greater than this fraction. 10 upon 11 is greater than 11 upon 19. Next, 1 by 5, 1 by 7. In this, these are the unlike fractions because the denominators are different. Denominators are different, but numerator are same. So in this case, which denominator is greater? That will be the least. And which denominator is smaller? That will be greater. So from this 5 and 7, 5 is less than 7. That means 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 7. Okay. Next one, 2 by 1, 5 by 6. So we have to do the cross multiplication. 12, 5 ones are 5. 12 is greater than 5. That means 2 by 1 is greater than 5 by 6. Okay. Next one. Which is the largest fraction? Which is the largest fraction? 9 upon 10 or 6 upon 10. So denominators are same. So this is the like fraction. So since 9 is greater than 6, so 9 by 10 is the largest in this set. In this set, 3 by 5, 9 by 5. Since 9 is greater than 3, so this will be greater. This will be larger. 3 upon this or 11 upon this. So denominators are same. So these are the like fractions. Since 11 is greater than 3, so this fraction is greater than this fraction. This will be the greater fraction. Okay. compare. So you have to compare this you have to compare this, which one is greater or which one is smaller. First one, 5 upon 6 and 3 upon 4. 5 upon 6 and 3 upon 4. You have to do the cross multiplication. 5 into 4, this is equal to 20, and 6 into 3, this is equal to 18. Since 20 is greater than 18, so 5 by 6 is larger than 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Okay, so this is how you can compare any two fractions, any two unlike fractions having different denominator and numerator. Next one, question number 6. Arrange the following in descending order. Arrange the following in descending order. Descending order means bigger to smaller. So, question number 6 2. 3 by 8, 1 by 9, 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So, how can you compare this? First of all, you have to find the LCM of the denominators. 8, 9, 5. 8, 9, 5. So, LCM will be, there is no common factor. So, LCM will be 8 into 9 into 5. 360. Okay, so now you have to convert these fractions into like fractions. So that's why we have find here the LCM. Okay, so now you have to make each denominator in 360. 360 করতে হবে প্রত্যেকটা ডিনোমিনেটরকে। 8 45 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে, বিকজ 8 9 5 से 45 45 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করব। This will be this 1 by 9. This will be, you have to multiply it by 40. 40 by 360. Next one, 1 by 5. You have to multiply it by 72. 72 by 360. So it is complete to convert the fractions, given fraction, into like fractions. See, now you have to compare the numerator. And you have to arrange this in descending order, that means from bigger to smaller. Since 135 is greater than 72 is greater than 40, so that is, these are the greatest. So that means 3 upon 8, this will be greatest. Next 1 upon 5 and the next 1 upon 9. Okay. Question number 5. Arrange the following in ascending order. So in question number 5, you have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means from smaller to bigger. So which fractions are in the unlike fraction? First of all, you have to convert that unlike fractions into like fractions. Then you have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. So first you will arrange these fractions into, these are the unlike fractions because the denominators are different. So first of all, you have to convert these fractions in like fractions, and then you have to compare them. You have to arrange them in ascending order, that means in smaller to bigger. Next, question number 7. Name the following fractions and arrange them in ascending order. So here some figures are given, and in each figure there are some fractions denoted. So first of all, you have to find the fractions which is denoted by these figures. Question number 7 1. So which fraction is denoted by this figure? So from these figures, this figure is divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 parts, and from this 9 parts 3 parts is shaded. So this figure is denoted 3 upon 9. This fraction In in the figure 2, this figure is denoting fraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 9 parts, 5 parts are shaded. So 5 upon 9, this is denoted by this figure in 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts is shaded from 9 parts. So 4 upon 9, and in the figure number 4, 1 part is shaded from the 9 parts. So 1 upon 9. This fraction is denoted by the figure number 4. So you have to arrange these fractions in ascending order. So in ascending order, that means smaller to bigger. So in ascending order, so you can see that all of the denominator of the fractions are same. That means these are the like fractions. So how can you compare the like fraction? For comparing the like fraction, you have to compare the numerator of the fraction. So since 1 is the smallest of this numerator is the smallest from this fraction. So this fraction will be the smallest, because you know that in like fractions, so whose numerator is the smallest, that fraction will be the smallest, and whose numerator is the greatest, that fraction will be the greatest. So since 1 is less than 4, 3 is less than 4 is less than 5. So that is 1 upon 9 is less than 3 upon 9 is less than 4 upon 9 and less than 5 upon 9. So this is complete to arrange the fractions in ascending order. Next, question number 8. Ram spends 8 upon 11 of his income and saves the rest. Sam spends 10 upon 11 of his income and saves the rest. Which one saves the greater part of his income? So first of all, you have to find which amount Ram spends and which amount Sam spends. Then you have to compare the savings of each person of Ram and Shem. First of all, you have to write which information is given in the question. Ram spends 8 upon 11 of his income. Suppose if his income is 11, so if his income is 11 rupees, so Ram spends 8 rupees from 11 rupees. So how much amount he will spend? He will spend 3 rupees out of 11 rupees. So 8 upon 11 means out of 11 rupees, Ram spent 8 rupees. So how much amount he will save? So out of 11 rupees, 11 minus 8, that is 3 rupees he will save. Ram saves. So out of 11 rupees, how much rupees he will save? So out of 11 rupees, 8 rupees he will spend. So the remaining price he will save, that is 3 upon 11 of his income. Next, Sam spends. Sam spends 10 upon 11 of his income. So Sam saves how much rupees? So out of 11 unit, 10 unit Sam spends. So the remaining part he will save. So that is out of 11 minus 10, that is 1 unit of his income. This much unit he will save. Now you have to compare 3 upon 11 and 1 upon 11. 3 upon 11 and 1 upon 11, these are the like fractions because the denominators are same. So that is, since 1, now you have to compare the numerator of the given fractions. So you know that in a for comparing the like fraction, you have to compare the numerator of the fraction. Since 1 is less than 3, that means 1 upon 11 is less than 3 upon 11. So 3 upon 11 is greater than 1 upon 11, or 1 upon 11 is less than 3 upon 11. So which one saves the greater part of his income? Which one saves the greater part of his income? Since 3 upon 11 is greater and Ram saves 3 upon 11 of his income. So which one saves the greater part? Ram saves the greater part of his income. Greater part of his income. So from assignment 7.5, I have solved some question, but I have left some question for you. You have to solve that questions by yourself. But if you have any queries to solve any questions from this assignment, you will ask me. And this is all about for today's class.